everyone, my name is Dikshita and welcome to my channel. So today I am doing a very informal vlog kind of a video. This is a get ready with me video and I have to shoot my next Thursday stylings video right now. और मैंने सोचा कि क्यों ना मैं आपको दिखाऊं कि कैसे I do my makeup, I get ready before shooting any video. अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आएगा then give it a big thumbs up और please don't leave without subscribing to this channel. I hope you'll enjoy this video. So चलो let's start with our makeup. So we'll start with priming our face. उसके लिए I'll be using this product. Since आजकल बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी होने लग गई है, so I don't want to apply foundation. So I'll skip that step and I'll directly go to my concealer. And this is the concealer that I'm using. It's the Fit Me one from Maybelline and I swear by this concealer, it's really nice. I'll use this flat top brush to blend my concealer. So you can see I've properly blended it all over my skin. Next I'll set the concealer with this powder from Wet n Wild. अब मैं थोड़ा सा bronzer यूज करूँगी to define my cheekbones. And I'll be using a big fan brush like this for that. Next I'll put on some blush. आता है मेरा favorite part which is the highlighter. So I'm done with my base makeup and now I'll start with my eyes. First I'll do my eyebrows. I'll just do kajal and eyeliner maybe. Let's see. So what I'm doing is I'll take this pink shade, this light pink shade from this palette, and I'll apply it on the inner corners of my eye. I don't know if you can see it camera पे आने लगा guys, but it looks really nice. ये पिंक शेड हाइलाइटर की तरह ही लग रहा था तो इसके साथ मैंने ये वाला शेड मिक्स करा and then it came out fully pink. I think I'll skip eyeliner and just do mascara because you know lazy. First I'll curl my eyelashes. And now I'll do the last step, which is my lipstick. I'll be using this one from Nagar. It's a very nice bright fuchsia or pink shade. I think it will look very good in the summers. I'll complete the look with this lip gloss. Now I'll do my hair. I'll just lightly straighten it. हेयर वॉश करने के बाद मैंने ये लीव इन स्प्रे अप्लाई किया था. Now I'll just straighten it. Yeah, and we're done. So yeah, now I'm done with my hair and makeup. I just quickly change into my outfit and start shooting. And this is my final look. I hope you all like this video. अगर आपको इस टाइप का और कंटेंट देखना है then please don't forget to tell me about. Subscribe to this channel, like this video and share my channel with all your friends. Now I'll see you in my next video. Bye.